Hello friends and welcome on my channel. Today I'm making a yummy eggless banana cake with just minimal ingredients at home which are available during lockdown. So let's begin. If you're new on my channel, I'm Vidya. I make videos on modern parenting and kid-friendly food. If you like my channel, then please do subscribe to it and do hit the notification bell. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. So let's start. So here I'm taking 1 cup of sugar and I'm gonna grind it into fine powder. Then I'm taking butter, and this is homemade fresh butter and it is around 1 cup. You can use a butter stick instead. Now we need 2 cups of flour. I'm putting it in a separate bowl, and to it I'm adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Then I'm mixing it well with the flour. You can sieve it also, it will ensure an even mix. Then here I am taking 3 ripe bananas. As I said earlier, you can use over ripened banana also. And now with the help of fork, I am mashing it. It's very easy to do. I'm just leaving few chunks in it, not making it into a fine paste. Now let's start making the cake mix. Well, I don't have my beater here. I'm shooting at Arun's home, my mother-in-law's kitchen. So instead of beater, I'm gonna use a mixer grinder to mix the butter and sugar. Just removing butter from the cold water, and to it I'm adding the powdered sugar. So just in the mixer, mix it for few seconds and the sugary buttercream is ready. Now to it I am adding the mashed bananas. Mix it for just 5 seconds just to incorporate it with the buttercream. Now pour this mix in a large mixing bowl. So for flavors, instead of vanilla essence, we'll be adding elaichi or cardamom. I powdered the elaichi and then I mixed it with the flour. Now here I am greasing the container for baking. Spread a very thin layer of butter and then dust it with a layer of dry flour all over. And form a very thin layer, and this will prevent the cake from sticking inside the container. Now I am taking some raisins or kishmish and few almonds. I roughly chopped the almonds. Now we are gonna incorporate all this into the mix we prepared. Before that, preheat your microwave oven in the convection mode at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. You can also prepare it inside the cooker with a layer of salt just spread on the bottom, and keep it in a low flame on this gas stove. I'm keeping aside some almonds and adding the rest to the buttercream mix. Then similarly raisins. Keep aside some and add the rest. Then add half of the flour mix. Then fold and mix, cut, fold and mix. Repeat it. If the consistency is too thick or dry, you can add a little amount of milk. I am adding 2 tablespoons of it. You can skip this step if your consistency is fine. So this is the consistency of final mix. Here is a tip: avoid over mixing of batter. Now I am pouring the mix in the baking container and tapping it to remove any large bubbles and to spread it evenly. Then I topped it with remaining almonds and raisins, just spreading it all over. Now our oven is preheated 180 degrees, 10 minutes for preheating, which we did earlier, and 50 minutes for baking. You can see it's coming up and it's turning into brown, and so we can take it out. Just check with knife or fork if it is done, and take it out of the container and let it cool on the wire rack. So friends, if you like this video, then please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also add your comments below the video and share it with your friends and relatives. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And if you want to watch similar videos on parenting and kid friendly food, their links are given here. They are also in the description box below. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care. Bye bye.